Hello everyone. Today this is my battery again. Today I'm gonna make a video about my favorite place in the city. It's this park here. It used to be an old military station, but about 3 or 4 years ago, the people here decided to make a park. Nothing has changed really. It's pure nature. There are the old buildings of the military station, the military base here, as you can see. But the nature is so beautiful, so peaceful. It's only about 3 minutes walk from my home. I'm privileged, I can say. And the nature here has been untouched. You can see a lot of trees, wildflowers, and this is where I come when I want to think, relax, forget about everyday life and connect with my spirit, Mother Earth. You know, just think about everything, and that's my favorite place in the whole city. Here's some wild nature. Look at this walk, this path. It's amazing. Here's a crossroad. There's this path, and there's this path. What secrets are there? So, yeah, we're gonna follow this one. I may have to edit this video because of people coming by. So here are some more buildings from the military base. And trees, lots of trees. It's such a beautiful place. So beautiful, so relaxing, so calm. I'm living in a city with around 1 million people, and who would think that there's a place like this in this city where you can relax and, be in nature. It's amazing. There's all kind of trees, from everything, so beautiful. And here we come to an opening, which is a really cool place too, where you can see the sky. It's a warm evening tonight here in Greece, a sunny evening. Yeah. Look at how beautiful this is. So yeah, we are approaching my favorite spot of this whole place. There's the playing ground over there. I'm trying not to film any children. Yeah, I'm gonna go sit up there. I really like sitting there and, watching other people relax, be surrounded by trees and, meditate. And I'm gonna show you my view. There's those trees, those amazing trees. I'm just gonna sit here. And when I sit, that's what I see. When I sit here, that's what I see. The sun is setting over there. And yeah, it's a really calming place, a really nice place. I really like this chess kind of thing here. actually played human chess with some friends. Yeah. I can tell you how beautiful this is here. How calm and relaxing. Love those trees. Look at the beauty of this place. I love it now that it's autumn. You know, all those colors, the trees, the browns, the greens, the yellows, the reds. And there's a building which looks kinda spooky. Perfect for Halloween. There's an organization we have made, you know, to try and make this place a real park where people can come and enjoy themselves. And it's actually doing really great. Personally, I don't really wanna change much because I love it the way it is. You know, I don't wanna cut trees and change the environment here. But there are some ideas like building a library, using those old buildings, you know, to give people facilities like libraries, theaters and stuff like that, and make this place a place where people can come and have fun, relax. I love it. You know, I love being in nature, surrounded by nature. It's so calming, and yeah, I don't know if you can hear it from my voice, but it's an amazing place. This is another great spot in this park. It's so peaceful and relaxing. I edit this video because I'm meeting neighbors and I have to, you know, stop filming. It's nice to see people being there. Let's try to show you some sky. Yeah, this is the evening sky in Greece, right here, right now. The weather is amazing. It's around 26 degrees Celsius. I don't know how much this is in Fahrenheit. I think it must be around 70, I guess. I don't know. Love this place. Yeah, I wanted to tell everyone that, you know, it's since I started coming here, I've noticed that I'm so calm and relaxed, and even when, you know, I have problems, everyone has problems, you know, our love lives, friends, work. When I come here and, you know, be in this open place and surrounded by nature, I feel great. And, you know, we must not forget that, you know, humans are part of nature. You know, we witches and Wiccans and pagans know that, but many people out there just seem to forget it, and, you know, that's not good. That's not good first and foremost for them, because, you know, we need to go out in nature, to take those walks, to be surrounded by nature. And that's how we started, you know, that's how everything started. You know, Humans weren't born in big cities, in apartments. Humans used to live thousands of years ago outside, in caves, in nature. You know, and we need to take those walks. Even if we live in big cities, we need to go find a park. Or, if you can, take your car and, go leave the city for a couple of hours. Go somewhere where you can be in nature. Go by the seaside. Go, like me, for a walk in nature. It's so relaxing. It's so good, believe me. There's another spooky building there. I don't know if you can see it. Surrounded by trees. And here, I think this place is great for a Halloween party. Look at this. One may think that it's haunted, and look at this place. That's the sky up there, the trees almost hide the sky. And there's another really spooky building. Let me show you. God, this is beautiful. I love autumn. It's amazing. So yeah, thank you for walking with me. Hope you're having a great weekend, a great week, great autumn. And yeah, with the sun setting, I'm gonna close this video, bring this video to an end, and go out, enjoy our planet. It's amazing. There are amazing places just around the corner. My home is 3 minutes away from here. And, enjoy yourself, have fun, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye, love ya.